everyone, EnigmaCoinCollector here. It's been a while since we've done a mail call on the channel, and I actually have enough pieces to finally go ahead and do one. So that's what we're going to do on today's video. I want to thank everyone who sent mail in to me. I really do appreciate it. I only have 4 items this time, but there's still some really cool things, and I just want to show the stuff that has been sent into the channel and acknowledge those people, and I once again thank them. So we're going to go ahead and get things kicked off with something I got around Christmas time, and it's actually been a lot past Christmas. So to Gilbert Gann, thank you very, very much for this Christmas card. It's got great handwriting on the live streams very frequently. And yeah, I even did a wax seal. Check that out. That is some high quality craftsmanship. Gilbert, you always send very nice packages, and I really appreciate it. I'm going to try to keep the seal intact so I can put this on my shelf to display it. Very cool. All right, I think I got it. Yep, the seal is intact. Let's see what Gilbert sent. Like I said, it's been a long time since Christmas, so I know he's been patiently asking if we've opened this stuff yet, and we finally have. So let's check this out. This is really cool. It's ECC wishing you and your family safe and high spirits in today's season. Wish you and your family a blessed, happy Christmas, Gilbert Gann. Gilbert, thank you very, very much. A nice card here, and then a coin in there. And this is going to be a King George V. And I don't know, that's going to be 1 florin, wow, or 2 shilling. 1 florin, 2 shillings, 1925. I don't have a ton of British currency, and I know I don't have this coin yet. So this is going to be a new addition to my collection. Let me see if I can get the zoom to come down a little bit. There we go. That is really cool. Pre-decimal coin from Great Britain. Does this pop out? Oh, it does. I want to be really careful. Oh, I see how you did that, Gilbert. Very clever. Very clever. I like that. I know you also have another thing over here, but yeah, I don't have this coin in my collection. There you guys go. And there's a better look at it. Some of those marks are on the plastic capsule, but yeah, really cool coin. Nice. Thank you very much, Gilbert. And he also sent a postcard. Very cool. I'll keep the zoom down. Just got to remember that it's on. Picture of a mountain in the Philippines where he is from. Congratulations on 2,000 subscribers. That was a while ago. Hope you would like the coin mailed you as a gift. I also know that you had a British coin. I like to add pre-decimal penny from 1910s with some pretty interesting details. Hope you love these. And again, congrats on reaching 2K subs. We're at 3,600 right now. Again, I'm really sorry. I'm really behind on this, but I really appreciate it. Thank you very, very much, Gilbert. He's an awesome supporter of the channel. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, go ahead and do that. Check out this stuff. 1919, 1 penny, King George V with reverse ghosting. George V, 1919, 1 decimal, reverse ghosting. I am not 100% sure. Oh, no, you can't see. Okay, I think I understand what he's talking about. The portrait of King George's head is visible right there. Yeah, that's what he's talking about. Unless it's something else. Gilbert, if this is something else, let me know. Right there is the outline of King George. So it looks like this got pressed through. A little bit of a die clash. And that is really, really cool, Gilbert. Thank you so very much. Super generous of you, and you're super patient to wait this long for me to unbox this. Like I said, your packages always are beautiful and very well done, and these go up on my shelf right above where I do my coin hunts, and that way I can display them and have them as conversation pieces when people come over, and I get to talk to them about my coin hobby. So Gilbert, thank you very, very much for an awesome letter. Okay, up next is a package from Metallic Silver Skull, and I believe he sent in a die chip error, if memory serves. He said that on the live stream a few times, so thank you very, very much, Metallic. Metallic is, again, a huge supporter of the channel, gets boxes quite regularly, and it just got a very nice silver score this past week. So thank you very, very much. He also does toned coins on his eBay store, and I know he was talking about restarting that. So if you guys haven't checked out his channel, please go ahead and do that. So let's see what we got here. Does a great job wrapping it. See if I can get it without the scissors. Okay, that's just cardboard. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this. I feel the coin. There we go. All right, I'm gonna bring the zoom all the way down for this one. I believe this is a full bird's nest. We'll find out. 20 people. Holy cow. Sorry, my kids are screaming in the background. You can see that full bird's nest. What we're talking about is the die chip that is above Washington's hat that goes all the way into the E pluribus unum. That is a massive bird's nest. Holy cow. I think that is by far the biggest die chip that I have in my collection now. I have one that's close to this, but nowhere near all the way up into the E pluribus. Holy cow, that is an awesome error. These coins are getting sold on eBay for tens of dollars. That's not bad considering you can only, you only pay a quarter for this. You sell it for 20, 30, 40, 50 bucks. Definitely hanging on to this metallic silver skull. Thank you very, very much for this fine example. I will be putting this up in a flip and saving it. And if I can put this into, submit this, like I said, submit this at some point in the future for this attribution, I will definitely do so. So thank you very, very much, Metallic. Up next is a package for the United States Mint. Yep, I know. I forgot that I had my ASE subscription still turned on, and I was thinking about canceling it, but I forgot in time to cancel it for the 2023. I believe this is going to be the West Point ASE, so it got shipped. Looks like I'm going to continue that venture. First 2023 product I've gotten from the U.S. Mint. And definitely going to be easing up on things. Not going to get the American Women Quarter Proof Set, silver or plaid. This year I've made that decision, and I'm probably going down to one on each of the Morgan and Peace dollars. Oh, look, we've upgraded the bubble wrap. It's not just a piece of blank butcher paper. That's nice. So it's nice to see the United States Mint upgrade their packaging. Oh, and the box is a little bit different this year as well. Let me zoom in. So that's kind of nice. United States Mint 2023 American Silver Eagle 1 ounce silver proof coin. They've got the design on the box. So that's a little bit of an upgrade. It's not like it's going to be anything huge. You know, it is a lot more expensive this year than it was last year with the price increase. That, to me, doesn't justify it. But it is nice to see a little improvement. Still going with the black packaging in the box. Here's the COA. See, that hasn't really changed very much, and it is going to be the West Point version. So that's what you get when you buy this product from the Mint. And there is the coin. It's going to take me a while to get it out of the packaging because they switch to this cheap felt-lined plastic. You got to push this little tab out to lift the coin up, and then it should come right out. So let's see if we got an undamaged coin. Let me zoom you down all the way here. And we got some felt dust on there. But, yeah, we've got a little spot above the word God. It looks like it's on the coin itself. I don't think it's on the glass. It looks like it's just, I can see a reflection. So it's not a mark. These are notoriously hard to get a PR70 on. I will be sending this in to get graded. Is that? I think that's just going to be dust around this lip. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, I thought there was going to be some corrosion, it looked like, right where it said states, but I think that's just the felt dust getting caught in a lip of sorts right here. It rubbed right away. So yeah, that coin looks actually really good, as it should from the United States Mint. Honestly, when you're buying this stuff from the United States Mint, it should be flawless, and that has not been the experience. The detail looks great on the feathers on the eagle. It looks really good. This is probably one of the better strikes I've gotten from the United States Mint, so maybe they are taking things to heart and trying to do some stuff, but we'll see. We'll see if this is a continued thing or if it's just like, hey, we'll just throw them a bone. We'll keep raising prices. But yeah, it is better than most Mint products I've gotten like this in the past, so hopefully that will continue to be the case. Like I said, this will get sent off to PCGS at some point in the near future. I'll let you know what grade I get when I get it back in my possession. And the last package is actually for my brother. He got these for me for my birthday that was recently. And these are some coin books and magazines from way back when. Let me see if I can find a date in here. 1964, it looks like. So it's really cool to see what was going on in the coin world right around there. You can see the value of a 1950D Nickel is $25. And if we pull up the book that we have today and see if we can get a 50D, yeah, it's still $25. So that's kind of interesting that the price hasn't changed all that much. It's kind of weird. Didn't expect that, but yeah, you could see just how old this is. It's got pricing, it's got examples, and it's really cool to kind of see this stuff as it was back in the 60s, what the quality of the coins was and how they documented it. I'm not going to go ahead and show everything, 69 cents for it, but it's really cool, just nostalgia, and like I said, another cool conversation piece that's going to go up on my rack here and show off whenever I've got people over. So to my brother, thank you very much. It's a great gift. I love it. Appreciate it. And it's going to go to good use. All right, I said I had 4 things, and I showed you 4 things, so that's going to wrap up this edition of the mail call. Remember, if you want to send things in to be showcased on a mail call video, my P.O. box is listed in the video description below. You can send packages, letters, or anything cool, channel stickers, whatnot. It'll be featured on the mail call videos. You don't have to send anything in, but it's there just in case you feel so inclined to do so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, if you liked it and you want to see more like it, please click subscribe. Would appreciate a thumbs up. If you got something to say, leave it in the comments below. And remember, it's always a mystery until you go to the post office and find out what you got in that post office box. Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. Catch you on the next one.